Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show how we handle the checkbox by using the Selenium and Python. So I have already one application URL. Here is two checkboxes, checkbox 1 and checkbox 2. And if I look the checkbox, then we can perform only two things. One, we can verify the checkbox is selected or not. Second, we select the checkbox, right? So now let's see how we handle these two in Selenium WebDriver by using Python. So I have already created one code here, a file here, checkbox, which will navigate the URL. Okay, let me copy the URL of this application and paste here. Now this code launch the browser, navigate the URL of the checkboxes. Now next step, if we want to click on the checkbox, then first of all I need to select the locators, create the locators of these checkboxes. So let me first click on this first checkbox as well as the verify the first checkbox is selected or not. So I need a locator. So let's create locator here. And then slash input. This is the first input, right? Let me use here index, first input. Now here we need to use the bevel element object. For that need to call the find element by dot xpath, and this is xpath, and let me store in checkbox one element variable. If we want to checkbox is selected, then there is a method is selected. Okay, this method returns the true or false based on the checkbox is selected or not selected. If the checkbox is selected, this gives us the true. If the checkbox is not selected, it's give us the false. So initially checkbox is not selected, right? So here we will get false. Now let me select. So for the selection, we need to use the click method. So click method will click on the checkbox. Now the checkbox will select. Next, let me again find the locator as an checkbox is selected or not. Same code I repeated here. Now I'm going to run the test. So this is Python test. So I will use the command pytest selenium folder checkbox and hyphen s using 2 so that we can get the console output. Let's see what is the output. We are getting the object, right? Because we miss one thing. So this is the method. So we need to use here bracket. So let me run again. Let's see here false, right? This gives us the false because initially checkbox was not selected. After the selected right checkbox, we are getting true. Okay, let's capture the locators of the second checkbox and verify this is selected or not. Also unselect the checkbox. Now this is the second checkbox locator. Alright, we need to call here driver dot find element by dot xpath. So locator storing in a variable checkbox 2. So let's print and click. checkbox 2 is selected, right? Initially this will give us the true because the checkbox is already selected, but when I click again it will unselect, and let's see what will be the output after unselected. Yeah, here you can see this is the first checkbox and this is the output for second checkbox. Initially true, once the click is that is unselected and getting false. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this video will helpful for you. And if you have not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel. Click on the bell icon so that you can get always latest notification, and also share this tutorial with your friends, colleagues, right?